Giving you chores already? I said giving you chores already? You said what?
It's funny, huh?
Oh, it sure is.
Oh, I hear you, puppy.
That's Pumpkin. She got a weird whine.
Hi, Pumpkin. Hi, Pumpkin. Yeah, I'm waiting to come home for
She said what though?
one, because I asked where the pillow was, and she was like, one is in my room, and the other is in the box in the room in a bag. Girl.
She expect me to help. That's all that is.
No, she didn't say that.
No, I know that's what she's saying.
I told her you was cooking, and she was like, he's like, Patrick loves to cook. I tried to encourage him to get another line cook job. But
I don't like other people
he
though.
just has not done it.
I gotta be around some good people.
You know what, and Patrick, I understand what you're saying, because you just can't work with anybody in your body. I can't.
Yep.
When I used to work for the food corp, I used to pull my hair. I'm like, oh my God, I gotta work with this lady. Don't do nothing.
Right, I be going to work high and everything. So I'm like, man, fuck y'all. I'm going, yeah. I be walking around. I be running laps around them people. Kept that kitchen clean. And they didn't want to pick up their own mess. These people down here, some of them real lazy
Really?
at jobs, yeah.
Yeah, because they want you to do their job and your job too.
True. But me, I already move fast anyway. But I do got my food certificate and all that, so.
I mean, you can go get some lunch to the job. If you want to.
So good. She said, go to the hospital. I don't want to be in no cafeteria. Hey, I see why she's saying that though. There's some fine nurses.
Listen, now here you go. Yeah, yeah.
True, some of them be saying, oh.
You're right. Everybody ain't married up in there.
Mm.
That's for sure. Everybody ain't married up in there.
So look at me.
You're cute. You're handsome. You're handsome. You've been handsome since you was a little kid. I remember you was always in that baseball suit. Every time I see you.
I sure did bring them back home so I can put them in some frames.
Did you?
Yeah.
I don't blame you. I thought you was gonna make it to the pros the way you was playing.
I seen that you had to do schoolwork too as well, and I'm like, nah, y'all just trying to make my head run all over the place. I ain't running
Yeah, you
that.
like, forget that. I ain't doing none of that. Wow.
I learned more being outside of school than being in school.
You know what? You like the third person who told me that.
And I'm like a highly sensitive, like it's to others.
You know, he went to school and he got his business today. But
Right.
he ain't opened up a business yet. And I told him you need to do that because some people go to school and get
I just said that.
a
Make
degree
it a blackly owned business, because
yeah.
if you don't, then they'll be messing with you. That's why.
And I told your mom I wanted to open up a safe haven home.
Oh
But there's
yeah.
so many kids out here who are lost and on the streets. And only thing is,
True. I thought about that too a while ago.
yeah, I
Dang.
did, Patrick. I thought about opening up a safe haven for children that.
So then it'd just be getting written off on taxes.
Right. I remember when I was younger, I used to take in people's kids and then, you know.
Yeah, I remember that. I remember coming over, setting up some bunk beds and stuff.
Yeah, I mean.
I used to be real handy. I could do computer stuff.
Yeah, you used to be good. I be like, hey, how you do that? But yeah,
You know who taught me?
Who?
Alexis,
Really?
our older sister.
Really?
She had me around all them college people, and
How's
I'm like,
she doing?
she good. She working. She got a kid. It was a surrogate,
Really?
but her ex she was with. I don't remember what happened. I don't even know. But I don't know where she worked at. I be trying to call her.
At least she's working though, and she got her baby, and Gina's
Yeah.
doing good, and Katie doing good, and
Yep.
you doing good. Stacy should be proud. Stacy just don't want to let you go.
She's just more worried about me making money.
Well, you know what? There's all types of ways to make money in this world.
So is. That's why I be doing YouTube videos,
Right.
making tips,
He
cooking.
be trying to rap. He can sing a little.
Oh, see. Oh, sure, I got a little studio.
Yeah, he can sing a little.
Let me put them in the cage so I can show you this. Look how hard done eat. You done eating? No. Come on, Storm. Come here. You stay. You go out later. Cage. Storm, you too. Come on. Get down there. Alright. Let me see if I turn that down. Yeah, that's messy. I just brought more stuff before y'all came. Hey. Cut it out.
And you got all three sizes though.
Yeah.
I like that.
Right.
Now see, he gonna cover y'all up. See?
So am.
Y'all play too much.
I ain't trying to hear all that barking.
Aw. That's nice though. I
Yeah.
like how you got it set up. It's your closet and your studio.
Yep.
That's nice though.
Yeah, I still gotta rearrange.
You still do
everything.
boarding too?
Yeah, skateboarding. Yep.
Yeah. I remember you doing that too.
Yep. I remember some kids pushing me off my skateboard because they got mad because
For real?
yeah, they didn't
Wow.
know how to do it, and so they got mad and pushed me off.
Wow. Yeah, I remember you skateboarding. I remember you doing baseball.
Scooters, I rode scooters,
Yeah,
played basketball.
I really seen you in the baseball. That was, you know what I'm saying? That was more what your mom was.
Right.
You know,
I'm gonna let
she
that
was go professional, but like I told her, maybe that's not God's calling on you.
True.
You know,
True. I don't even.
but you are good at baseball though.
Yeah.
You are good at baseball.
All it is eye-hand coordination.
But you done messed your knees up, didn't
Yep. I mean,
you? Playing baseball?
catcher for 5 years, 6, 7 years straight. I ain't even big enough.
Oh well. Yeah, I remember that.
It's just me being bent down all the time, and then they're just like, trying to get back up. Yeah, I'm like an old man trying to get back up.